Hi everybody, this is Greg Paulson, and I want to talk to you about conductive surface finishes for aluminum parts. So very often you want to prevent corrosion on your part over the long term. If I need a conductive surface, I'm probably going to choose something like a chem conversion coating. So I have our gold here and our clear here. Note that clear can be Rojas, gold cannot. Provides corrosion resistance as well as a nice conductive surface over time. So if I'm using this as a ground plane or I'm using this in electromechanical, I'm probably going to prep my surface with this first. Now that being said, if I'm looking for corrosion resistance over time, but my part's going to take a beating and I'm okay with electrical conductivity to my part, I may be looking at a metal plate. So metal plate is essentially taking a material that is different than the base material. So in this case, aluminum, but this could be anything conductive, steels, coppers, brass. And in this case, I have this aluminum part that is nickel plated. So our most common platings are things like electroless nickel plating, as well as we do some precious metals like gold and silver plating, particularly for conductive surfaces. A lot of times we see copper parts that are plated gold, for instance, to be a better conductor. But what's nice about this is it only requires a conductive surface, so I can use nickel plating for something like a steel alloy where I can't actually do a film conversion to that. So when I look at this, I'm looking for highly ruggedized applications or applications where the outer surface will enhance or augment the capabilities of that base material. Metal plating is also just very good to keep a protective layer and really maintain that part over its lifetime. If you have any more questions about our surface finishes or what platings we have available, let us know. Check out Xometry.com and we're happy to help out. Thanks so much.